Looking to earn extra with Shiftsmart? Your referral code is key. While not publicly advertised, the most reliable place to find it is within the Shiftsmart app itself. Check the Refer a Friend or Referral section in your user dashboard. You can also search social media platforms like Twitter, X, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for hashtags like Shiftsmart Referral or Shiftsmart Code, but be sure to verify the codes are still active. Online forums and communities like Indeed or gigworkers.com may also have codes, but always double-check the posting date. Finally, if you're a registered user, you can contact Shiftsmart support directly to inquire about your code. Applying a Shiftsmart referral code is simple when signing up for the platform. First, download the Shiftsmart app and create a new account. During the sign-up process, there will be a prompt to enter a referral code, often in the How did you hear about us or referral field. Enter the code exactly as provided, as it is case sensitive. Both the referrer and referee must meet the program terms, such as the new user completing at least one shift within a specified time frame, usually within 30 days. Bonuses typically range from $20 to $50, paid via direct deposit or app credits. Use the app's dashboard to track your referral progress. Remember, codes are for one-time use per new user, and any abuse of the system can lead to account bans.